Building muscles in your body is a complicated process which is way more than just working hard in the gym. Today I will tell you why your muscles aren't growing and how to fix this problem. First of all, let's talk about nutrition. Building muscle involves eating a healthy diet with enough calories, protein, and essential nutrients. Muscle growth isn't just about protein and calories. Vitamins and minerals play an important role in the functioning of the nervous system. Fix this by eating a variety of nutritious foods. Micronutrient deficiencies, such as vitamins and minerals, can also impair muscle function and recovery. Without enough carbohydrates, your workouts can suffer from a lack of energy, hindering your ability to stimulate muscle growth. Spending insufficient time on nutrition, especially around exercise, can reduce your body's ability to effectively repair and build muscle. Dehydration, often a result of malnutrition, can wreak havoc on a variety of body systems, including muscle regeneration. Finally, a diet filled with processed and junk foods lacks the nutrients and quality your muscles need to grow. To address these challenges, prioritize a balanced, nutrient-dense diet that supports your fitness goals and promotes muscle growth and overall health. Consider a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. If you are concerned about a particular deficiency, talk with a health professional. Another thing to talk about is poor form in the gym. Improper exercise form not only increases the risk of injury but can also lead to poor muscle engagement. Educate yourself on the proper technique for each exercise and consider working with a qualified trainer. The perfect look isn't just about aesthetics, important for protection and nerve involvement. If your technique is flawed, you risk injury, and you can't properly target the muscle groups you want to work. Poor quality can lead to overuse of the wrong muscles, or joint stress can cause pain. Limit the weight you can lift, and if your muscles aren't challenged in the right way, they lose muscle stimulation the best needed for growth. For example, poor hand placement and bench positioning of the body can cause emphasis from the chest, which is the main muscle you want to target in the squat. The knees aren't accuracy or weight distribution can cause joint stress rather than proper loading of the quads, hamstrings and glutes. To overcome this challenge, it is important to educate yourself on each appropriate exercise or, preferably, work with a qualified trainer. Making sure you do the exercises correctly can effectively target your desired muscle groups, reduce your risk of injury and promote muscle growth. A good strategy ensures that you are targeting the right routes to grow. Another reason why your muscles might not be growing is that you're not getting enough sleep every night. Sleep is a time for your body to repair and grow. Without enough sleep, your ability to organize your muscles is impaired. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. This happens when the pregnancy hormone is released and your muscles recover. Another reason is that you're not overloading. You need a basis for your muscles to grow. If you don't challenge them constantly, growth will slow down. Include the principle of progressive surplus. You can gradually increase the intensity, frequency, or intensity of your workouts. Without this vital component, your muscles lack the stimulation they need to adapt and grow. Basically, they don't have any reason to be strong or big. Your body reacts to stressors, and it has no incentive to thrive again if you don't consistently counter it with a literal increase in resistance. Over time, this can lead to a plateau, where your muscles remain stagnant and your growth is low. To avoid this, you need to increase the weight, frequency, or intensity of your regular exercise routine. This gradual process keeps your muscles active, constantly changing and growing, and ultimately helps you reach your muscle development goals. Let's say you do weighted push-ups, add an extra 1 to 5 kilograms every week and see how you improved. And the last reason for your muscles not growing is that you're constantly stressing. High levels of stress can increase cortisol, a hormone that can break down nerve fibers. Manage stress through practices such as meditation, yoga, and relaxation techniques. A balanced lifestyle helps control cortisol. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe, check the description, and click the video on the screen if you're interested.